Welcome back to CAD engineering tutorial. Today's day I would like to explain and create the weldment profile, custom weldment profile. So let's get started. First, select the new part and select the user interface, white, plain white, graphics areas. Select front plane, make sure dimension inch, select line, this triangle, and make sure dimension. I'll choose 3 inch. Next 3 inch. Horizontal or vertical 3 inch. Fillet, sketch fillet. Click OK. Okay, this now it is offset 0.01 inch. Okay, before saving your custom weldment profile, make sure file, there are custom weldment file. There are 3 types of folder: A, I, SI. Then click OK, go through and right triangle, then it is saved here. So now save as. Leave feature part. Make sure dimension. Desktop, select the folder, custom weldment file. 3 inch, 3 thickness 0.1 inch. Now go to the main file, weldment file, select structural member, not it is available here, so make sure add your weldment profile, go to the options and file location. Here is file location, document template, weldment profile. It is select weldment profile. Now it is add custom weldment profile, desktop, custom weldment file. Make sure OK. So now Here is A ISI, right triangle. Yes. Now it is available here. Yes. Now it is properly work. Thanks for watching.